Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best 3-piece luggage set with a hard shell on the market, the Amazon Basics 3-piece set. This set includes 3 durable suitcases measuring 21, 26, and 30 inches, designed to cover every travel need from short trips to extended vacations. Right off the bat, this luggage set stands out thanks to its durable ABS hard shell construction. This material offers exceptional strength while remaining lightweight enough for easy handling. The shell features a scratch-resistant finish that helps keep your luggage looking new, even after rough handling at airports or busy travel hubs. This means you don't have to worry about the usual scuffs and scrapes luggage often picks up along the way. Each suitcase comes with 4 multi-directional spinner wheels, allowing effortless 360-degree movement. Maneuvering through crowded terminals, narrow airplane aisles, or busy city streets becomes a smooth and hassle-free experience. The telescoping handles extend and retract smoothly, providing comfort and control no matter your height, while the short lift handles make it easy to grab and carry the bags when needed. One of the most useful features of this set is its expandable capacity. The carry-on can expand up to 25% more space, and the medium and large suitcases offer an additional 15% packing room. This flexibility means you can easily adjust your luggage size based on what you're bringing, whether it's extra souvenirs or additional clothing for longer trips. Inside, the organization is thoughtfully designed. Each suitcase features a divider panel and multiple zippered pockets to keep your items neatly separated. This is perfect for separating clean clothes from dirty ones or organizing smaller accessories so they don't get lost. The interior space is optimized to help you pack efficiently and keep everything accessible during your travels. In terms of size, the carry-on measures about 21.7 inches high including wheels. The medium one is roughly 26.8 inches, and the large suitcase measures around 30.7 inches. These dimensions make the set versatile enough to handle almost any airline's luggage requirements, with the smaller piece suitable for cabin use. At 28 pounds for the entire set, these suitcases are light enough to carry but still sturdy enough to handle the rigors of travel. Plus, the set's design is sleek and modern, with a classic navy blue color that suits all kinds of travelers, whether for business or leisure. Shipping to India and other international locations is available, though be mindful of potential shipping and import fees when ordering from overseas. In summary, the Amazon Basics 3-piece hardshell luggage set offers a perfect balance of durability, expandability, and mobility. It's designed to simplify travel with its scratch-resistant finish, multi-directional wheels, and organized interiors. If you're looking for reliable, affordable, and versatile luggage that covers all your travel needs, this set is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future product breakdowns. Safe travels!